Ka Central Goods and Services Tax CGST Shillong Commissionerate haka Southrik unaitung arjar apusaw kala Rakhe ka Jingdap Snem ba Pyntreikam ye ka Yinglum Khajana Goods and Services Tax GST da ka bapulong ye ka program balatip ka Sashak Vyapar Samarg Vikas Empowered Business Inclusive Growth. Ye kate ka program la pelong ha District Library Hall Nongpoh balawan bani Shimintalang ha ka program do Praveen Agarwal Assistant Commissioner CGST Shillong Division H Soikamthang Commissioner CGST Shillong Commissionerate Pausakam Ngaite Additional Commissioner CGST Shillong Commissionerate but uba S Mirthong Superintendent State GST Kajing temu jong ini ke program kalong banlum banlang yikinong siu khajana bat kiriu pau khmat banyethir shapang kajing yonong ha ka GST.
He said in the morning, earlier, that the 53rd GST Council was groundbreaking, I would say, because it has tried to introduce many new things which are beneficial for the trade, especially those issues that you all have raised in the last couple of years. It has been taken care, and hopefully we are waiting for the notifications and the circulars to come out. And in future, I think it will become better. The GST will, at least in the years to come, it will become better. And the most important thing is the compliance part from the taxpayers. And then GST has been able to increase the compliance, which can be found in the increase in revenue collection, as already been mentioned by the AC and both Bharat Roy also. That especially with respect to GST Shillong, since the first year till today, the revenue collection is doubled. So that is thanks to your participation and thanks to your compliance of the taxpayers. And I would like to request you to continue to participate in this GST process. Your feedback is always welcome. And this outreach program, I believe, is being held for the first time in the GST regime in Nongpoh, covering the Barnihad and Nongpoh ranges. And the main idea is to come to you. We might not be able to solve all your problems in one day, but our intention is that to tell you that we are here to help you. That is the main idea, and that we are here to help each other. And as part of this theme of this year, Sashak Vyapar Samagra Vikas, we believe this will be part of your empowerment. GST has definitely empowered the taxpayers. And definitely we are moving towards a strong nation, which we are planning for to be the third largest economy in the coming years. So I believe we are going in the right direction, and I appeal to you to continue your support and help the nation grow. Thank you.
As far as the entire Commissionerate is concerned, we have collected for this April, May, June 224 crores, out of which 11% is contributed by Nongpoh and Barnihad range. So Nongpoh and Barnihad range have been a very important ranges for the entire Commissionerate, and also they are important contributor of revenue for Shillong Commissionerate, and this full credit goes to our esteemed taxpayers. Today, to go along with our theme to build a strong business for overall development, I would encourage all to take mandatory registration in GST if you are coming under the threshold monetary limit. This registration will give several benefits in your business. One is, in GST process, from registration to filing, everything is streamlined and it is online. So startup will find it very easy and user friendly. Then having GST registration number will help the business to collect tax from customers and at the same time enable them to avail input tax credit if they are registered as regular taxpayers. Passing on the input tax credit will enable the taxpayer to do business in the B2B segment, which is more organized and help manage their funds effectively. Once the businesses avail the input tax credit, effective price of the goods and service will be reduced, which will bring competitiveness in the market. GST registration will help your business to move from unorganized sector to organized sector. GST compliance will bring in discipline of maintaining proper books of account, and this in turn will help your business to move to a banking channel for raising funds rather than raising funds from open market. And small business can also offer a compensation scheme under GST, which will reduce their tax and compliance burden. As a tax administrator, I thank the trade and industry for their contributions in shaping the continuous effort of our nation building, and I also thank our officers for their excellent service delivery to the taxpayers. It will be our